Hi, my name is Enoch Hernandez, and I'm an application engineer here at Hawkridge Systems. Today we're going to be discussing how it is that we can actually get rid of holes by using surfacing tools and the delete function on our keyboards. Now right here before us we can see a flywheel that I designed as a prototype, and I just want to get rid of the hole that's right here in the center. We'll start off by going to our Surfaces tab and selecting the Delete Face command. Once we're there, you're going to notice that we have several options. We're going to start off by using delete and just clicking on the inside face of the part. Once it's been selected, you'll notice now that the part right is hollow there. And also on the surface bodies, we'll see that a surface body has been added, so this is no longer a solid body. Since I have a surface, what I can do is I can click on this edge that's right here. Let me go ahead and do that for you. Hit delete on the keyboard. SOLIDWORKS is going to ask us, do you want to delete the feature of the hole itself? We want to delete the hole itself. And now we can notice that the hole is no longer there. Now, the only downside to this, right, is that, and it's not necessarily a downside, it's if you want to continue working on a solid body, you do not want to convert to a surface body. Well, we can always go back and we can use the other option that we previously saw. So once again, I'm still in my Surfaces tab, and I want to click here on my Delete Face, but this time the option that I will be using is the Delete and Patch, and I select that inside face. So now when I click OK, the hole is gone, but notice that we still have a solid body present here. Now, the other option that we could use to get rid of the hole is to use the untrimmed surface, but it has to have a surface body to be able to use that command. Not an issue. What we can do is we can do what we previously did, right, to go to delete face. The option goes back to delete. Same thing, right? We're going to delete that inside face of the hole. This is once again a surface body. We all can see that here. Now that we have that, well, the untrimmed surface command is now active, right? Because we have a surface body. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Again, this is found in my Surface tab in the Command Manager. And now we can proceed right to selecting the edge there. The options that we're going to use extend edges. And here we will see that once again, the hole that was there is no longer there, right? So again, this is just a brief overview of the different type of commands that we can use to remove holes without having to delete the cut extruded command. Now with that said, we always love to hear from you guys, right? Go ahead and let us know if you have a different method or approach, or maybe some tips and tricks that you use there in the comment section. Go ahead and give us a like, and thank you again.